Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this update on Dogecoin. I hadn't covered it this morning. I think I also did not cover it yesterday for the simple reason that in the end, the analysis I did on Saturday was still valid. All right, what we talked about Saturday to refresh your mind a little bit. And that means we're getting right into the analysis right now, is what I said is that if it breaks above 8.6 and 8.5, which is the main resistance, or which was the main resistance and still is, then I expect the price to get up to our next price targets at 9 cents, but probably also afterwards 9.4 and 9.5 cents. That's what I said. All right, and in the end, it did break above that level, but it turned out to be a fake out, which you should always be careful for. Sometimes when the price just about breaks above the level you want it to break above, sometimes that's just not enough. And sometimes it's also better to wait for it to hold that level as support, which I might have said in that video. I'm not sure anymore. But yeah, no, it dropped back down from there, and right now, and then dropped back down towards 7.9 and 7.8 cents. Still, if you take a look at the technicals right here, and most of you probably already see that, it still is bullish right now. All right, so it isn't that much of bad news. It's holding the support level at 7.8 and 7.9 cents. And personally, I'm also still bullish on Dogecoin. All right, so when looking at the open interest, you'll see that the open interest still right now is way higher than what it was last week. Last week it was around, well, let's say 340, 370, and now it's around 480. All right, so that's a pretty big increase. All right, it's down a bit from the tops we made on Friday when Dogecoin was very bullish, but it's very much up since last week. And even though the prices are practically at the same levels, like right now the open interest is at around the same levels as it was the 12th of November. The price is, the open interest way higher. Usually that means that more bullish momentum is coming, and that's also what I expect. All right, because right now, like Dogecoin depends quite a lot on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is pretty bullish right now. I don't think it's going to break out, but even if Bitcoin right now becomes bullish and then bearish, I still expect Dogecoin to hold this main support level, all right, between 7.9 and ultimately even 7.5. Like even if Dogecoin drops down all the way to 7.5 and then finds quite a lot of support there, it's still bullish, and it's slowly moving up to that main resistance level at 8.5 and 8.6 cents again. And, you know, Dogecoin might not even break above that the next time it gets there. But I do think, given the market structure right now, given what I expect from the broader crypto market, I do expect it to break above that level eventually. And then, like I said, I mean, the next price target is 9 cents. I will keep you updated on that. So if it hits that, I'll make a video on that, whether 9.4, 9.5 cents is also still possible, because 9.4, 9.5 is really the price target we're looking for. All right, but I'm still bullish on Dogecoin. All right, so the only way I could turn bearish is if Bitcoin becomes bearish. All right, so first of all, we should see bearish momentum from Bitcoin. If that happens and Dogecoin falls below 7.5 cents. All right, if that happens, all right, well, then the situation is different. And then it's a bit more likely that Dogecoin will fall down lower and consolidate. All right, so it's a possibility, but it's not what I expect. So if that happens, I was wrong, and I will try to keep you updated on that as soon as possible. But yeah, like I said, I mean, at this moment, that doesn't look likely. When you take a look at the open interest, the momentum, the market structure, it looks way more likely that it will respect the market structure and get up towards 8.5, 8.6 cents again and break above that eventually. All right. So those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, anything, let me know down in the comments. There and in the pinned comment, you'll also find more information about my premium and my Signal group, as you can see at the top right there. So if that's interesting, consider checking that out. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.